Hey guys, welcome to Gulfstream Outdoors, where I help you catch more fish. Today we're out at West Bay wade fishing, one of my favorite wade-in spots. Drive up, park, wade right in, hopefully catch some fish. Got about 20 of my closest friends out there. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll tell you the conditions that brought me here today, what the weather was like, what the tides were looking like, that led to my decision to come fish here today. All right guys, let's go. One of the reasons I came back today is I was out here in the evening a couple of days ago, caught a nice Texas slam, which is one redfish, one flounder, one trout on this down south burner shad. These smaller lures are my go-to spring pattern. Basically, because what's happening in the spring, everything's making babies. And those babies come out. So this guy is pretty small. So to start with today, I'm just reeling this in nice and slow. You can feel it bouncing on the bottom. This is pretty hard packed sand right here with some grass, so you will get snagged every once in a while. So we're just gonna try this real quick. Z-Man Easy Shrimp. Fished him a little the other day. Fish on. Nice. That was a pretty subtle hit. I think it's going to be a flounder here. Yep, little flatty. Awesome. Whoa, see that? As soon as his head got out of the water, man, he just started freaking out. All right, come on, rotato. All right, nice. Look at that, dude. Absolutely inhaled that shrimp. Nice, nice boy. All right. So I got some measuring on my pole here. He's right up to that deal. So 15 inches is right there. So he's definitely a keeper. I guess he's about 17. Nice flounder. See if I can get him unhooked here. Oh my God, dude. Bro. Look at that, dude. Absolutely inhaled that thing. Hey, stop it. There you go, bro. Good call. And there he goes. That's a good release, man. Whew, jellyfish. That was my PB jelly, man. Guys, just a quick word. It's been scientifically proven that subscribers to my YouTube channel catch 47.93% more fish than non-subscribers. So hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and catch more fish. All right, back to the chicken of the sea. Fish on, yes. Right on the edge of that slick. Probably a little speckler here. Oh, no, another flatty, wow. Flounder are in thick here, man. Must have landed right on top of him. That is crazy. Oh, he's off. All right. Oh yeah, fish on. That is a good fish there. Oh, come on, baby. Yes. This is a good fish. Oh gosh, I don't know what this is, but it's big. Woo! Dude. Woo! I don't know if you guys saw that, but it scared that mullet out of the way. Dude, what the frick is this thing? This does not feel right, dude. Feels like almost maybe snagged a stingray or something. Jeez. Let's see what he is. Get a peek at him here. Should know I'll probably lose him pretty quick. Yep, big friggin' stingray. It's kind of what I thought it was. Don't get near me, bro. This is not something I want to deal with, so. Oh, he is huge. Let's see. I'm really wrestling him here because, frankly, if he breaks me off, I don't really care. That would be doing me a favor at this point. I'd like to try to get the hook out of him, but this guy sticks me, man. It's just not going to be good. And he can survive. That one, man. Whew, dude. Thanks, guys. Man. If I can grab my lure, I might be able to use his strength to my advantage. Bro, stop. Because this thing is like some sort of delicate. All right, there. Thanks, bro. That was exciting. All right, guys, here we are at the spot I launched as seen from Google Earth. I jumped in the water basically right over here on the left side of the screen, your right side, along these rocks here, and slowly worked my way across pretty much parallel to this point over here. I just kind of worked my way across. I did go up and down, back and forth a few times, but pretty much stayed straight across and then worked my way up this shoreline, as you saw in the video. The key point about this spot is it has a relatively large outflow, and I was on an outgoing tide. The tide was going out literally all day from sun up to sundown. The tide was moving out. So what's happening when the tide is moving out of any marsh system is that bait is getting pulled out of the grass here and into the open water. And the larger the outflow you have, the larger the channel, so to speak, the more volume of water pushes through it, and then the more bait gets sucked out. So you'll hear a lot of guys talking about fishing the mouths, fishing the outflows, and they normally will show you these little bitty outflows that are like up here, right, where you fish right in the mouths, and that's certainly an effective tactic. But what I wanted to point out to you guys today is when you have a larger outflow of water, the fish can also be a little bit further away from it. You don't necessarily have to fish right in the mouth. So the mouth, I've caught plenty of fish at this spot here, but on this day they were a little bit further down, right? So the water was pushing the bait down a little bit further down the shoreline, and I caught all my fish in a little bit further away from that outflow. So when you're looking for spots to fish, don't neglect the further spots away from larger outflows. The current's a little less strong there, and so the fish can hang out there a little bit easier than if they're, say, right in the mouth, and they still get plenty of bait fish in there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button so you can catch more fish. Studies have shown that you will catch 52.47% more fish if you're subscribed to my channel. Tight lines.